You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name and more confusing names too many people get wrong. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. In English it's usually said as mela, mela. Now in Spanish it's said more as mala, and in Spanish it means bad. That's the feminine in Spanish for bad. Mala, somebody who is kind of bad. But in English, mela is how you say it. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.